My name is Audrey Miller. I am in POLYWOOD Academy and I am from Wawasee High School. I'm a senior this year.
My name is Micah Wilson. I'm a second-year student at the Academy and I attend Wawasee High School. It was my sophomore year in high school. I was just trying to figure out what to do with my classes and everything. And then the director of CTE approached me and was like, hey, there's a great opportunity. Like, you get to learn about business management, all of this stuff about manufacturing, and you get paid the second year. And that's really what got me. And so that looked like a great opportunity. And so I took it. And so far it's been a great decision for me. Being in this class has really helped me get a view of what a business looks like, because I didn't have any experience beforehand. It's been great to see all aspects of how a business works.
I feel well prepared because this has also given me the opportunity to work with students before to encourage them to come. So that builds my communication skills. I'm able to confidently talk with people about what POLYWOOD does and like what we make and how it's made. And with the college path, that would also help me to be able to explain to people the workforce and even go into the workforce after college. One word to describe my experience here so far would be educational, which that provides more insight to what my life can look like in the future and where I've already come from, so I get to experience more.
Working with the Wawasee Pathways program, and it was a brainchild of a couple of us that came together, and seeing what we could do from an industry partner to try to funnel some interest into POLYWOOD and be able to grow our talent here. A lot of kids don't understand what they want to do. I have a couple kids in high school and they think they know what they want to do until they get some hands-on experience. So this gives students an opportunity to really have a hands-on experience. Do I want to go into manufacturing? Do I want to go into engineering? Do I want to go into, more of a post-secondary college education where I get into accounting, finance, human resources? It gives them a little bit of a taste of everything.
So I believe it's very important between schools and employers to have work-based learning. And the reason why is, especially here at POLYWOOD, we have been able to bring in different aspects of every single position. We bring in our design team and they come in and talk to the students and they can learn engineering and how to program the CNC, how to make the parts in SolidWorks. After their senior year, the students will receive a certification in both a builder certification and a CNC certification. With that, they are able to go and work on CNCs, not necessarily program them, but run them efficiently and well. Most of the time, that applies for just POLYWOOD. From my experience in the manufacturing industry, that is, they can pretty much go almost anywhere and run a CNC however best they can.
I would probably use the word amazing, because the growth I have seen from the students from that first August showing up as they were helping us build the plane when we were flying it, and the growth in the instructor, just learning how to meet the needs of his students, and just POLYWOOD being an amazing partner. That word just automatically comes to me over and over and over with just the growth that we've seen in 2 short years.
Huge thank you for the CNC machine right behind me. It's been so amazing being able to work on that and not having other people try to fight me for it.
We're very appreciative of the Donwood Foundation and really stepping out. They came into this within our first year and they provided a tremendous amount of funding for us. The CNC machine that you see behind me, those are not cheap machines. And so that really is given a dedicated piece of equipment to this program where it's not interrupted or disrupted by the POLYWOOD staff. And so it's allowed the program to really progress forward.
I am so thankful for Donwood and specifically Lisa Smith. We knew we had a good story to tell, but she helped us improve it and really be able to share our vision from the industry partnership and the school of what we were trying to achieve. And I just feel like John Wood in general believed in us and were able to just guide us and help us get to where we are.